Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're here at one of our maintenance monthly accounts, and we're taking care of a couple of things. We're about a month before opening back up the country slowly, and with the COVID-19 scare, how do we get people back into restaurants and things like that? Well, this is one of the ways we do. Normally, when we clean concrete and we clean everything, we use a maintenance cleaner. We have now shifted that, and not using a maintenance cleaner, we're utilizing a bleach mixture on everything, the concrete, these chairs and tables and things like that. Even though they're not being used, we want to make sure they're clean and sanitized. But we're going one step further. What I have here is a disinfectant, and this disinfectant is designed for a couple of things. Number one, it's going to, when I saturate all these tables down, it's going to disinfect it because it's going to sit on. I'm going to leave it, but it has a residual that will continue killing for the next 5 to 7 days. So this is exactly what I'm going to use. I'm going to spray all these down. This is going to be an extra sanitization, disinfection, so that they are ready to open, hopefully in a week or so. And as long as they don't have anybody in this area and they keep it closed, it's ready to go for them. You'll be able to eat off these tables, sit in these chairs with confidence. Anyway, that's what we're doing here in Smyrna. Now I got one more, got to go to Murfreesboro and hit Murfreesboro. 10 more TLC Pressure Washing.